Today, we're introducing our Flexistone flexible stone wall panels in the Pietra Series. These panels come in a sleek 900 by 300 mm size, made using natural stone composite, so you get that authentic premium look and feel, indoor or out. Let's get them unboxed and take a closer look at the details, the texture, and just how easy it is to install them. You can see that they look premium, but what you can't feel is just how premium they actually are. They feel like real stone, they don't just look it. We've got the Pietra Travertino, the Pietra Grigia, and the Pietra Alba. And remember, if you've got custom projects, we can make them in the 3 by 1.2 meter sizes. You can really feel the difference here. This isn't a fake finish, it's actual stone with polymer. This is what gives it its durability and flexibility, and absolutely a natural feel. And the best part is, installation couldn't be any easier. You just apply a construction adhesive or classic tiling glue along the back, press it onto the wall, and it's good to go. Imagine the hassle and the cost of installing traditional stone blocks compared to Flexistone. With any of the Decko Flexistone Pietra Series, you get the modern look of natural stone, the ease of DIY, and the durability to last both indoors and outdoors. It's the perfect way to transform your space into something truly unique. So order your sample today.